How to log in ZinHR account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your ZinHR account online. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for ZinHR login. So once you search in for that, you'll be heading over to this dashboard over here, or you can just tap on this first link over here, and which will take you to the official ZinHR website, and you can see there is an option called login over here. So just tap on it, and now all you have to do is you need to provide your company code just like this, and employee code just like this, as well as your password if you remember it correctly just like this. And if you want to keep logged in this account the next time, so that you don't have to keep logging in your account credential next time, you may as well click on this remember me button over here and just click on login. And if all of your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your ZinHR account online. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.